Today we've chosen to use the Instant Illumin8 shampoo and conditioner on our model. So the Illumin8 range is designed to illuminate your blondes and tone out any unwanted yellow tones from your blonde. So we're going to start with the Illumin8 shampoo, and we do recommend using gloves due to the dye intensity so that you don't get any staining on your hands or fingernails. So what we're going to do is take roughly a 20-cent piece of Illumin8 shampoo. We are going to distribute it evenly over our palms, okay, so that we don't apply it directly in one area. So we'll apply it halfway down the hair and emulsify it through, and then working it back up to the top through that root area. Just emulsifying that evenly so that the colour can distribute evenly from roots to ends. If it is more of a toned result that you're after, we do recommend you can rinse and repeat as necessary. So the more that you layer this shampoo, the more colour deposit you will achieve. You'll notice it has a beautiful fragrance of grape. It has a grape theme to go with Illumin8. Because of grapes are known for their high antioxidant capacity, it's going to help protect our hair from the elements and keep our colour locked in really well. So then we just make sure we rinse this really well, making sure any of the colour is lifted up off the scalp. And once you've rinsed thoroughly, we recommend that you squeeze the excess moisture out, and we're going to go on to the Illumin8 conditioner. So we're going to use roughly about a 50-cent piece worth of conditioner, and again applying that evenly throughout the hair to give our blonde more of a toning effect, and it's going to detangle it nicely. Illumin8 is enriched with chamomile to soften the hair and create the shine, and it actually has a red wine extract, which, believe it or not, the antioxidants in the red wine is what protects our hair. So we recommend leaving this on for 3 to 5 minutes, and during that 5 minutes the active ingredients are locking that cuticle down to lock in your new toned blonde and creating more shine as you dry it with the hairdryer. Once your 5 minutes is up, we recommend rinsing thoroughly to make sure any conditioner is rinsed from the hair and the scalp, and then you can style as desired. So as you can see, this is the end result with our Illumin8 shampoo and conditioner. You can see that all the gold has been toned from the hair, and it leaves us with that beautiful illuminated blonde minus the yellow.